Yes, and now we're here again. We've realised, converted forever.
I am indeed. I drive an 80 Falcon, so what can I say?
Alright, day 2, Motorvation 39, here with Big Mel.
Shit, yeah.
Bigmalsworld, hit him up on YouTube.
Let's get into it.
Let's go for a cruise straight away. We just rocked up, and looks like the smooth cruise is happening, so we're gonna get stuck into it straight away. And then I'll go pick up Phil from Aussie Garage. He should be floating around as well. Let's get into it.
Shit, yeah, sounds good.
Thank you. Sweet. There's Chris.
Yeah, well, that's what I could see from on the thing, like, for that session last night. They were doing them down here, they were burnouts going on everywhere.
Yeah. So you got to be pretty tame today.
Yeah. Especially in this one, this is only the smooth cruise, so.
Yeah. Bit more watching.
Sorry, I'll be back after. Some cones got taken out.
That would have been last night when they were all cutting seat.
No doubt. Oh, they were going crazy. Yeah, that wants to boogie straight away pretty easily, that's for sure.
Yeah.
There's that Monaro.
Oh man, that's crazy.
Sick cars everywhere you look.
Yeah, it's awesome. Phil in here from Aussie Garage, joined with Bigmalsworld in the back. He was joining us for that last cruise, so yeah.
Yeah, no, it's awesome, man. Thanks for the ride.
No worries.
Absolutely.
Got to keep it a bit tame. They're really onto us today. No skids.
Yeah, fair enough.
Yeah.
Fair enough, there's some lovely bloody cars out here already. I've seen heaps of them.
Oh,
and I've only just got here, so.
Yeah. A lot of them are starting to roll in right now, so.
Yeah, there's a ton out there getting scrutinized and stuff like that, so.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I believe there's another 200 cars.
From yesterday.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, that's going to be crazy.
God, there's a lot of blood already.
Hey! Bazza from Byford Classic Car Club.
Yeah.
Good club. He was featured in my video yesterday, so yeah. Got the Super Cruise lining up. And I'm in it, so should be good. Phil from Aussie Garage in the front, Gainer in the back with Cam. How's it going?
Not bad.
We'll see how we go.
Sure you get some backward shots for us as well. That's front's alright a little bit, but yeah, I love the backward shots.
Yeah, perfect.
Thank you.
Let me run over and you're about to start up.
And we're going down the line here, so you guys are going to be coming with us. So if you're not here, then you're going to be enjoying it along with us, alright? So we got everyone out there in the stands, all the fans up there. This is the lineup. We've been waiting here.
I'm recording, mate.
Let's go, buddy.
So that was wicked. The Super Cruise. Bloody awesome.
Hell yeah. You guys might see us eventually.
Yeah, let's have some fun. And we got distortion in the lap, so let's have some fun.
There we go. This is
definitely.
insane, guys.
Definitely. I'm going to show the back with you, I suppose, and then we'll go from there, I reckon, Dave.
You bastard.
You, Dave. Oh.
Gotta make a mistake,
It's too grippy.
Not that we could see much, we're full of smoke, but yeah, that was wicked.
Got the Pro Performance people here. Hit them up online. They're a very good automotive parts specialist down in Mandurah, in West Australia. So I've seen this one back in Adelaide. Very nice Commodore. Very pristine. He's brought this over from South Australia. Very nicely done. That's cool.
Right, so you said yes to the sale. In your mind, you had an idea of what you wanted to have.
Old Austin.
How it compares.
Audi steering wheel.
Next level, mate. He went beyond.
Good thing to take time. Ladies and gentlemen, who's keen to see the colours come off this car?
How nice is this HQ coupe? Very nice purple. Beautiful. Big block in it. Very tidy. HT with the LSA. And red QE. There's another big block. Fuel guzzler on the number plate. Looks like a fuel guzzler. Nice. Very cool motor that. One of my followers as well, which is awesome. 750 something rear wheel horsepower in that. Very nice. Very cool panel van. Another massive motor. Blown budget. How cool is that?
These two.
Yeah, they're both his. Very nice coupes. Gotta love a HQ. Nice old valve. How cool is this charger? It's one of the nicest chargers I've ever seen. It's been around for a little while now. Good to see it here. Hemi. Very clean engine bay. So good. And the interior in this is Mickey Mouse. It's perfect. All the VDO gauges, cool steering wheel. Seats are awesome. Love it. Very cool VK. Alright, going out with Tetnis to do the Super Cruise. Let's get into it. Wicked. Here with Peter in his HG burnout car. How you going?
Good, mate. Yourself?
Yeah, pretty good, thanks, man. About to do the Super Cruise.
Correct.
Looking forward to that. And
Yeah, definitely.
It'll be wicked, eh?
Yes.
So tell us a bit about your car.
So just a HG wagon,
Yep.
LS, blown, 871, mechanical injected, big and ugly hat,
Yep.
2-speed power glide, 9-inch out the back,
Wicked. Wicked. So what sort of ratio are you running in the diff?
3.5s in the back.
Oh, yeah. Yep. Nice. It's a good combination for this sort of stuff.
Correct.
And yeah, what sort of power is it sort of bushing approximately?
Approximately between 600 and 700 horsepower.
No, nice, nice. And that's a 6-litre block, isn't it?
That's correct, yes.
Yeah, nice. The ECU and all that sort of stuff, what are you
So
running?
it's a Holy Terminator. Yeah.
Awesome, awesome. Yeah, I see that on the dash there, you got the display and yeah, wicked. All right, well, let's get stuck into it.
Will do.
Cheers.
Enjoy the ride.
Thank you. Awesome, good driving, man.
I reckon the time's on their way out.
Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah, man.
We go around again, eh?
Hey guys, so down here at Motorvation, day 2. It's everything's going on at the moment. Just did the smooth cruise and the super cruise and a bit of everything. Down here with Mel from Bigmalsworld, so hit him up on YouTube. Does some really good content. And we got Phil from Aussie Garage, so hit them up for looking at their content. It's pretty cool. Aussie Garage, I'll put all the links down below for their channels and their Instagrams and all the rest of it. So check them out for us and give them a following. So yeah.
Yeah, it's a great day. Had wicked fun, and you'll check out Dave lighting his car up.
Had a ball. Had an absolute massive time.
Yep.
Awesome time doing that. It's wicked. So hope you enjoy.
Yeah, and I'm stoked to be over here from SA, checking it out over in Western Australia as well. So
Yep.
yeah, it's been awesome.
It's
Great
wicked.
weekend.
Wicked. Oh, thanks for coming over as well. and
Awesome. No, thanks for the hospitality. It's been great.
Yeah, well, we'll be over your way next, I think.
Exactly, yeah.
Adelaide's on the cards as well, yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
And we've got another show tomorrow morning together, so that'll be rad too.
Yep, definitely.
Can't wait to check
wicked.
that out as well.
Yeah. Very nice GDR. It's gone. It's pretty cool. Full drift spec.
With a 34 front end.
That was the Chameleon on the H.
Willowbase, they were #1 qualifier. They looked stout in Sydney.
I've seen that one around before. Very nice.
Sorry, bro.
Awesome. shout out to Wolf at Lost City Tattoo. He's down here at the moment. Hello, Provoked Apparel. How you going?
Good, how are you?
Yeah, pretty good. Provoked Apparel doing their thing. Getting a lot of business by the looks. Cool.
About your time with mullet first.
This is my 4th one, I think. I did one first, I won that one, and then I cut my mullet off and started growing it straight back, and now I'm here again.
Yes, and now we're here again. We've realised converted forever.
I am indeed. I drive an AU Falcon, so what can I say?
See? It's a match made in heaven, mullets and cars. Alright mate, come out the front. If you face that way, the wind's going to work with you and your hair's going to shake. Give him a clap, ladies and gents. This is an example of an extreme mullet. This is our skullet. Mate, they're a tough crowd, aren't they? Tough crowd. Stand over with Sam. I can see my dreadlock man. Come on up, Grubby. Feel attacked? I think I've attacked you about 4 times in the last 2 days.
Yeah.
Right, introduce yourself.
I'm Jane.
And how long have you had this gorgeous grubby mullet?
Oh, this is 2 years.
Is that all? Yeah, right. Turn around, let everyone see how long it is. Look at this thing. A weapon. So at Mullet Fest for our adults, we have 6 different categories. So we have our everyday mullets, our extreme mullets, which is your skullets, your super duper length, short barbering, crazy colours, that sort of stuff. We have our grubby mullets, of course.
Top roof on this one, HJ with 383 in it. Very cool. Blown small block. Twin carby, very nice old school setup. Copper's doing the rounds. Alright, well that's a wrap. Day 2, done and dusted. Really enjoyed that. Awesome time down here with Mel from Bigmalsworld that's come over from Adelaide. And Phil from Aussie Garage come down and had some fun as well in the queue. Super Cruise was wicked. Never done that before. That was the first for me. So yeah, that's about it. I won't be here for day 3. But next year, looking forward to Summernats again. Be getting over there again. Hopefully might be taking the queue over. And back here again for Motorvation 40. So watch this space. Anyways, take care. Have a good one. I'm out of here. See ya.